Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is really special for me because on today's video I have a collab with three amazing ladies here on YouTube, and we decided to do together a best of fall collab video. Before we are starting, I want you to introduce the ladies that I'm collaborating with here on this video. So we are together 4 ladies that we are doing this collab, and this collab, it was initiated by Nadia from Coffee with Nadia, and she's doing here on YouTube really nice and fun videos. She loves handbags. She owns beautiful handbags. I've watched her videos and I'm really in love of her Louis Vuitton handbags. She does here bags hauls, handbag hauls. She also does unboxings and DIYs. I have so much pleasure watching Nadia's video. She's just a charm here on YouTube. The second lady is Elena Jenkins, and I know Elena from maybe more than half a year. Elena is such a genuine person here on YouTube. I haven't met anyone like her. She's so honest. She does unboxings. She also does reviews and fun makeup tutorials. And also we have here on this collab Calra from Real Chicks TV, and Calra is one of my newest person that I'm subscribed to, and Calra does really nice makeup tutorials, and also she does fashion hauls, but she's also really wise, and sometimes she just do a real talk video and she's speaking about her experience, and if you are listening her, you understand that you have a lot of things to learn from, and I'm so excited that I had chance to meet her through this collab. We all together gathered up and decided to do this fun best of fall collab. So we have a number of questions that we are going to give our answers for today, and I would like to invite you to also go to Elena, Carla and Nadia's channels. I will have all the links down below to their channels and also for their best of fall videos. I have all the questions here. I thought it's more easy for me to just read them from the paper. The first question: coziest clothing item? Well, if I would have to pick something for the fall, this is for sure my scarves. And if you haven't noticed before, I'm keeping my scarf with me because I love to wear them, and also they are keeping me warm and cozy, and yeah, and also I love the shade of this. I think it's really nice. So this is one of my favorite scarves. Of course I have plenty of scarves, but I love the shade, and I feel this is matching with almost all of my fall or even winter coats. So yeah, basically this is not exactly a clothing item, it's an accessory, but for me, yeah, this is my favorite because I just feel that it's fall when I'm pulling out my scarves. Question number 2: favorite music or song? I usually listen trance music, trance and progressive, which is not exactly a season music, so I listen this all year around. But if I would have to think about a fall favorite song, then it will be without any doubt November Rain by Guns N' Roses. Question number 3: favorite drink? Well, my favorite fall drink is it without any doubt the hot wine, and this is even more tasty because we are adding cinnamon and I think they are called cloves. They are a bit spicy, but they are tasting really good, and of course a bit of a sugar, not too much, but just to give it a bit of more sweet taste. And yeah, I just adore drinking hot wine. And of course, the wine that I prefer, it is the red wine. I think you can even make a hot wine from white wine, but is it not the same? So red hot wine. Favorite dessert is the question number 4, and my favorite dessert for fall, it is the cheesecake. Favorite Thanksgiving dish? Well, I'm living in the Czech Republic and we do not celebrate here Thanksgiving Day. I would love to celebrate Thanksgiving, and I so enjoy watching how you guys are doing in America. I think it's really nice celebration, and it's something my heart is going for that, but we are not doing this. And if I were to live in America, then my favorite Thanksgiving dish, it will be probably the stuffed turkey. Favorite lipstick? Okay, my favorite fall lipstick, is it the one that I'm wearing today, and is it by MAC? Let me show it to you. Is it in the shade Twig? It is not too dark. Actually, it's more rosy, but on my lips somehow it looks a bit more dark than the regular nude lipstick that I'm wearing. But I so love this lipstick because it is so creamy and it lasts a long time on my lips. Together I also thrown on the top the Fussy lip gloss by Fenty Beauty, but usually I'm wearing this alone. The next question, it is a favorite palette. I have a favorite fall eyeshadow palette, and this is by Makeup Revolution. Is it called Reloaded Iconic Division, and I'm even wearing it today, and it's so beautiful and has all the shades that are so appropriate for fall. You have those earthy gray tones, you also have those beautiful shimmery, this is Rusty, the one from here, and also this green, more light, and I'm wearing both on my lid. I have the rust shade on this half of my lid, and then I have on my 1/3 of the lid I'm wearing the green one, and I love all the shades are speaking me and they are telling me that they are so appropriate for summer. So yeah, my favorite fall eyeshadow palette so far, it is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division eyeshadow palette. Question number 8. Favorite beauty item for the fall? Okay, my favorite fall beauty item is my bronzer. And why is this my favorite beauty item? Is it probably because on the fall I'm starting to lose my tan, and probably my heart is suffering for the nice tan that I'm usually having during the summer. So that's why my favorite beauty item for the fall, it is a bronzer. And together I was using this Maybelline City bronzer, which I adore, and I was talking about before. I so much love it, and it looks a bit more dark in the pan, but on the cheeks it translates really nice. And that also I'm wearing here on my forehead. So yeah, my favorite fall beauty item is a bronzer. Question number 9. It's really cute. Favorite way to spend time with your bestie? Well, I don't go out so much now because either me or my besties, we all have kids. But when we get a chance to go out, then we are going for sure to get a hot tea, or why not even a hot wine. So just chilling out, surrounded by a hot drink is my favorite way to spend time with my besties. And the last question, the question number 10, it is the favorite thing about fall. And this is the colors of the fall. I really love when the leaves are starting to become yellow, red, rusty, dark brown. Did you see all the colors, all those beautiful colors? It's a pleasure for your eyes to see them. And I remember several years ago I was going out and I was taking a lot of beautiful pictures. I don't have this time right now, but I hope in the future I will return back to my old I don't know, I cannot remember this term in English. Okay, habits. So yeah, I hope in a couple of years I will return back to my old habits and I will go out and I'll take nice fall pictures. Those were the 10 questions that we had for our best of fall collab video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also please let me know in your comments down below what are your favorite things about fall. And yeah, don't forget to visit Carla, Nadia and Elena and see what are their favorite things about fall. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also to follow me on my social. And other than that, I want to wish you to have a great blessed day ahead, and I'll see you again on my next video.